First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this?
Hello everyone, it's Lee here. Thanks for joining me, and it's day 1 of Junk Journal January for 2024. Okay, so I've got my book ready. The prompt for today is resolutions. I've got a piece of paper behind my page to stop my paint from getting in places I don't want it. I'm just going to clip that open. I've got a basic palette of a red, yellow and blue. So I've got cad red, turquoise and cad yellow and some white. So with those colours I can mix many colours. I did a little bit of playing around, and these are some of the colours that I made just from those three and the addition of white. So this year I'm doing this in an art journal form of, way, rather than just collaging like I was doing before and then adding some inks and things and maybe some paint later on. So this time I'm going to start, it's going to be more of a painted thing with some collage added on. Yes, so I'm just going to get some paint down to begin with. So resolutions is the prompt, and I'm just going to get a bit of some white, a little bit of yellow and some red, and I'm just going to use that to make some other colours from, just to get something down on this page to begin with. I'm just going to randomly be applying this paint on, and you can see it's not fully mixed. That's fine. And just add a little bit more yellow. So by using the same colour all throughout this journal, then the same 3 colours I should say, there's going to be a harmony because the same colours are being used all the time. So they might be all different colours that end up on there, but because they were made from the same colours, there will be that harmony. So the next thing I want to do is just add a little bit of collage onto that. got some waterproof crayons, water soluble crayons. So I might put some marks here and there. First thing I want to do is colour in those circles. So I've got white gesso now. I'd like to paint over some of this and just knock it back a little bit. I'm going to just draw in a focal point. So I'm just going to do an abstract sort of flower. So I can't save every scrap. Some have to be put in the bin. So that's one of my New Year's resolutions, is not to keep hold of scraps, to be brave and throw them away from time to time. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to leave a comment, and we'll see you for the next video. I hope this has given you some idea of how you can go about doing something in an art journal. And we'll see you in the next video for this series. And the prompt is quote. Righty, till then, happy crafting. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!